Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. I guess I never really realized how simple and easy it would be to get boiling water once you have an electric tea kettle. This beautiful tea kettle from ASCOT Home has really made me fall in love with using an electric kettle. It is made entirely out of a borosilicate heavy-duty glass, and it has a functioning top that opens so that you can put your water inside, as well as the spout, which is entirely separate, so you don't have to worry about that water splashing up at you. The handle for the tea kettle is covered by a really hard plastic so that you don't have to worry about wearing a pot holder when you're pouring your tea. To use the tea kettle, it could not honestly be any simpler than this. All you have to do is add your water, and then you press the button on the side, place the tea kettle on top of the cooking unit, and then automatically within about 5 minutes or less you have boiling hot water, and the button turns off all by itself. So it's really so simple to use. When you come back to it, that water is there. The tea kettle itself is very pretty. It's very compact, even though it holds a really good amount of water. And I really like that they included a topper that can be swapped out so that if you're not comfortable using the metal, you can just keep that plastic one on top. I opted for it just because I really love this mint green color. Because I can have full confidence in how it boils the water, I know that I will have beautiful, delicious iced tea for later in the day. If you're looking to get an electric kettle, you'll love this modern but functional tea kettle. It's gorgeous and it works so well. It's so easy to use, and that's my point of view.